Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We're going to be unboxing my Natalie Attired, and this is a clothing service, and you can get one by request just whenever you want, or you can set it up to how frequently you want to get one. And there is a $20 styling fee, and anything that you keep, that $20 will go toward it. It's free shipping to get about, and it's free shipping to ship back whatever you don't want. They give you this, and it already has a prepaid label on it. And this is the price sheet, and you also get a note from your stylist, and my stylist is Jessie. And I seen a card in here, and it says celebrating you, and then it says enjoy your gift, the Natalie Attired team. So this is on top, so I'm guessing this is a gift. And they do have a great discount system too. If you keep everything, you get 30% off. And if you keep 3 to 4 items, you get 20% off. And you have 3 days to decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. So let's see what's in here. Okay, I believe that, so I went ahead and read my note, and she said that this is a scarf. And this is pretty. And she said that it can be worn tied in your hair or around your waist. So that's pretty. And that's so nice that they gave this. It says that it's a gift in celebration of their anniversary. Okay, so let's see what I got. Here is what my bundle looks like. Love all them colors. Okay, the first thing here is, this is so cute. It's floral, and it's like navy blue, and it has the keyhole in the front, and then one in the back with a button. And I love the sleeves, like the flutter sleeves. The brand is DNA Couture, and flutter sleeve, floral top, and this will be $32. That's just so pretty. Okay, and here is a sleeveless top. This is really soft, and I love the color. And this is by Naked Zebra. It is sleeveless V-neck top. It's $39. this color blue too. This is really, really soft. And it has buttons, and it's like they are functional, and it also has the tie at the bottom that I love. And this is by Naked Zebra, and it is sleeveless button front blouse, $42. And here's another floral. And it's red, and it has a different pattern, like a bell sleeve. It's a pretty color. And it has a tie down at the bottom and the front. And it is by UMG. Bell sleeve V-neck top, and it's $42. And then I have a pair of jeans. They are UMG, and they're skinny frayed hem jeans, $49. These are really, really frayed. So I'm not sure how I will like that, but I will start trying on. Okay, here is the UMG bell sleeve V-neck top. It is very different for sure. I like that it's longer in the back. I like the length in the back, and I don't know. I think it might be kind of cute. Y'all have to let me know what y'all think about this, because it's something that I definitely would not pick for myself or think that I would like. But I've been trying to step out of my comfort zone a little bit with stuff. And I have the UMG jeans on, and I definitely do not like them down. That's a little too much fraying, and it was kind of difficult to roll them up because of all the fray. It's a really thick row that I don't think I like too well. But I love how they fit though. Okay, so here is this is the Naked Zebra sleeveless button front blouse. I love this color. It fits good. I like the length. And the only thing you can see I don't know if I could wear maybe a different bra, and it might not show, or I could wear a black cami and it probably wouldn't look as obvious, but other than that, I like it. Okay, here's the Naked Zebra. They're calling it watermelon color. Sleeveless V-neck. I like the color of it, and it fits good. It doesn't show anything under the arm, so I like that. Fits good. Okay, I have one more top. Okay, so this is the DNA flutter sleeve floral top. It doesn't show real bad under the arms. It does just a little bit. But I think maybe with a different bra, it would be okay. This is one that I thought I would really, really like, and I'm just not sure about it. It's 100% polyester, so there's no stretch, but I mean it does fit. It has kind of that textured material. But anyways, I'll be back and we will go over everything. Okay, I also wanted to mention their customer service. Their customer service is great. They reached out to me by a phone call because they had watched some of my videos. They will watch your videos, you know, so they can say what, you know, you like, and they wasn't sure on my measurements and the size tops I'm in now, so I sent them an email and told them, you know, that I'm kind of in between a small and a medium. If it don't have much spandex or anything, I normally have to get a medium, especially up top. But if it has, you know, it's kind of flowy, loose fitting, and has spandex, then I can wear small. So it just depends. But anyways, I wanted to mention that. So, the jeans I really like, but I don't like all that fraying on the ends. So, I don't think I will keep that. I may have to try this on, or just, I don't know, more when I go back and watch the video. I'm just not sure that that looked good on me. I did like this. I love the color. Such a pretty color. And this, love it. And it's almost like a silky material. And I'm not sure about this. I'd think about this and get y'all's opinion on this, because it is different. It's, you know, but anyways, if I was to keep everything and got the 30% discount, it would only be $128.80 for everything. That's not bad at all. So anyways, I thank y'all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.